There were several reasons we decided to build the shade. One of those was obviously sun safe. Two was to ensure that we had an area, even if it was raining, for the kids to be outside. And the third one was to create a space where the ministry couldn't put classrooms. It's a clear space and it also brings that area together. The feedback has been amazing, amazingly positive. We haven't had too many assemblies outside, but the ones we have had outside, the parents have loved it because it's cooler. Our hall is a little bit small, so it's very difficult to fit the kids plus parents. So that is a wonderful space to have. We looked at pricing, obviously. They were competitive. I really liked dealing with their main consultant. It was very easy to deal with, just a nice, easy process. The construction only took 4 weeks because most of it was built off-site. The guys putting it together who worked for the company were amazing. They were prepared to stop and talk with the children, tell them how it was built. So the kids loved it. It was sort of like Meccano in action. I would definitely recommend Shade Systems because the quality of the product is awesome. The guys putting up the structure were fantastic. Just dealing with them was nice and easy, and even though we were working through a middle person, it was very respectful of the school environment, had all the safety plans in place. Very difficult around COVID, but the company were really responsive and we appreciated that. So no, overall very impressed. It'll be here for generations.